Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the roadways to join flying branch of Indian Air Force for female candidates. We will discuss about all the eligibility, education qualification, entries, exam, notification. So watch video till end. First we will talk about education qualification. The aspirant should possess any of the following degree. She must hold a 3-year graduate degree from any recognized university with at least 60% aggregate marks upon considering all papers. 3-year graduate degrees like BA, BSc, BCom, etc. For such graduate, it is mandatory that they should have undergone science stream under the 10+2 system with physics, chemistry and maths as their subjects with minimum of 50% marks each in maths and physics at 10+2 level to join the flying branch in the Indian Air Force. In case of engineering graduates, they must possess BE, BTech degree from a recognized university. Minimum marks requirement is 60% in aggregate. In both the above cases, even final year students may appear, provided that they won't have any backlogs at the time of SSB interview. Also, they must be able to provide their graduation certificate at the time of notified by the authorities. Second, age limit. The age limit in this entry is that the candidate has to be between 20 to 24 years of age when the course starts. The age relaxation for candidates who are holder of commercial pilot license issued by the DGCA. For them, the upper age limit is 26 years. The candidate must be an Indian national and must be unmarried. So let's talk about modes of entry to join the flying branch. First, NCC Special Entry. As an Air Wing Senior Division C certificate holder of the NCC, you can apply for flying branch of Indian Air Force. Short Service Commission offered for women. If you want to know how to join NCC Air Wing, we have the dedicated video on it. Click on I button or check in the description box. NCC Air Wing Senior Division C certificate holder and validity of the certificate would be 2 years before the date of advertisement. Advertisement schedule. Advertisement for NCC Special Entry is released by the IAF in the months of June and December. Second, FCAT entry. You can apply through FCAT for Short Service Commission in the flying branch for 14 years with no further extension. Advertisement schedule. Advertisement for FCAT are released by the IAF in the months of June and December. So, these are the ways for female candidate to join IAF flying branch. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also watch these cool videos. Thanks for watching. Keep moving.